Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing area of parallelogram and triangles. Exercise point 3. So today's section I am going to discuss the fifth problem. So what is that? D, E and F are respectively midpoints of the sides BC, AC and AB of the triangle ABC. So here they given ABC is a triangle. So in that triangle F is the midpoint of AB and D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC. Then show that BDEF is a parallelogram. BDEF is a parallel. We want to show this one is a parallelogram, right? So let me solve here. The first one. So in a triangle ABC, F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. They only given, right? So here in a triangle ABC, F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. It means EF is a parallel to BC and EF is a half of a BC by the midpoint theorem. So this implies FE is parallel to BC and FE is equal to half of BC. Is it right? And see here, FE is parallel to BD. FE is a parallel to BD because BD is the part of BC, right? So write down the reason here. BD is part of BC, right? And now BD is equal to half of BC because D is the midpoint of BC, right? So see here is a half of BC and here is a half of BC. It means FE is equal to BD, right? And FE is parallel to BD, right? In a quadrilateral BDEF, FE is a parallel to BD, FE is equal to BD. It means it is a parallelogram. So hence BDEF is a parallelogram. Reason here, one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Right? So that's why BDEF is a parallelogram, right? Similarly here CDFE and AEDF is also parallelogram. Which one? CDFE. So this one is also parallelogram and another one AEDF. It is also parallelogram. Is it clear? So well students, then the second one, Second one we have to prove here area of DEF is equal to 1 by 4 ABC. Area of DEF is equal to 1 by 4 area of ABC we want to show here, right? So already we proved here BDEF and CDFE and AEDF is a parallelogram, right? And we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the two triangles of equal areas, right? So write down here. We know that diagonal of a parallelogram divides it two triangle of equal areas, right? So here in a parallelogram BDEF, the diagonal FD is a divides a two triangle. So these two triangles are equal in their areas. So we can write here the area of BDF is equal to area of DEF. So here parallelogram BDEF, right? And similarly in this CDFE parallelogram, the diagonal ED is divides the two triangle in equal area. So that is the area of CDE is equal to area of DEF. Parallelogram CDFE. And similarly AEDF, here also diagonal EF is divides two triangle, right? So area of AEF is equal to area of AEF DEF, right? So here parallelogram AEDF, right? Then we know that the area of ABC is equal to sum of these four triangles. So write down. Now area of ABC is equal to the sum of these four. First one AEF, area of AEF plus CDE, area of CDE plus area of BDF plus DEF, area of DEF. So sum of these four is a triangle ABC, right? So this is equal to, see here the area of AEF is equal to DEF, write down. Instead of AEF we can write area of DEF plus the area of CDE. CD is equal to DEF, the area of DEF plus the area of BDF. BDF is equal to area of DEF, area of DEF plus area of DEF as it is here, right? DEF. So here DEF, add this one, we got 4 area of DEF. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this side we have area of ABC. So 4 comes this side, this become a division. So 1 by 4 area of ABC is equal to area of DEF, right? So this implies area of DEF is equal to 1 by 4 area of ABC. Hence proved. So this one is second one. So well students, next third one. Third one we want to prove here area of BDEF is equal to half of ABCD. So area of BDEF is equal to half of ABCD, right? So we have the area of BDEF is equal to the area of triangle BDF plus DEF. Sum of these two is a BDEF. So write down area of BDF plus the area of DEF, right? So now also we know that these two are equal in their areas because BDEF is a parallelogram and diagonals is bisect the two congruent triangle, that the two congruent triangle are equal in their areas. So instead of BDF we can write DEF only. So area of DEF plus area of DEF. So reason write down here, the area of BDF is equal to area of DEF, right? So DEF, the two area of DEF. So this side area of BDEF as it is, right? So now this implies the area of BDEF is equal to the two as it is, and here the area of DEF, already in second one we proved that 1 by 4 ABC, right? So we can write here 1 by 4 area of ABC, right? It is we proved in a second one. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are. We got here 1 by 2 area of ABC. So this side the area of BDEF. Hence proved. Is it clear? So this is all about the question number 5th one.